Give the people what they want. Oh, you got to give the people what they want. Give the people what they want. Hey, got to give the people what they want.
This is an emergency situation that is effective in your county. Please stand by for more information. There has been an unknown entity roaming the city streets for an estimated time of 45 hours. The entity has been spotted wearing a black hoodie, a durag, and carrying a stack of red Solo cups. It has been reported that the entity is able to produce loud sounds into the minds of their victims, giving them irreversible ear damage, and some occasions, killing them. Heavy armored units have been deployed in around the locations where there have been multiple casualties. We urge all citizens of the county to lock all doors, shut all blinds and windows, and stay tuned to this channel to be updated on future developments. Thank you for your time, and stay safe.
Rock on the island, what's it like in Toronto City? I'm 2,000 kilometers away, but girl, tonight